Hello, Pierce College students. So the question is, how do I see my announcements? So announcements is a communication tool that allows instructors to post announcements for all users in a course. To see them, we have to get into the course. To get into the course, I have to click on the card that represents the course. Here, I will click on ESL 3A. After tapping on it, I see a list. The first item on my list is announcements. So if I want to see the announcement for this specific class, I have to tab on announcements. So I tab on announcements and I see a list of announcements. So the bold font is the name of the announcements, and down there under the name we see the date that the announcements has been posted. So here, for instance, the first one is reminder, my English Lab grammar test on chapter 1 and deadline and etc. etc. But I see the posted on March 17, 2020. So this is announcements. I have to click on it and to see the announcement in a full text. So I read that, and if I want to go back to the dashboard, all I need to do is to tap on the arrow icon on the top left side to go back one more to the course and one more to dashboard.